All right, so that link to IXL should take you to this page right here. Otherwise, you can just go to IXL.com. Right up here is where you're going to enter your username that was given in that email, and then your password should be your 00 password that you use to log into your Chromebooks. And this is what you will see the first time that you log in. So what you're going to want to do is click Math, and you will go down to 6th grade, see all 380 skills there. Okay, then this is what should show up every time that you click Math next time if you click 6th grade here. So then these are all of the math skills that 6th graders should be able to do by the end of the year. The only ones that you should worry about right now are the ones you can see that are starred or highlighted yellow. Those are the ones that pertain to Chapter 6, which is what we're working through right now. So what you'll want to do is just click on any of those skills. I'm asking that you're gonna spend roughly like an hour a week, so like even like 20 minutes 3 days a week would be just fine working through IXL here. In each of these skills that are highlighted, your goal will be to reach a SMART score of at least 75 to 80 over here. 80 shows that you're proficient in this skill and that you're ready to move on. If you are looking at these questions and you're like, that makes no sense to me, they'll have these not feeling ready links down here to walk you through some things leading up to this. So that's kind of nice. This actually might be like a 5th grade link here, but that's fine if that's what is going to help you understand this. Also, you can click up here where it says learn with an example, and you can always click on this.
Write the expression using an exponent.
It will read the question to you. Then it'll give you the key idea with a solution here. So it kind of walks you through step-by-step solutions here, how to do things. So here, write the expression using an exponent, that's 2, and then to make the exponent, you have to hit this little button, and see now it's raised up there, so it looks like it's 2 is the base and 4 should be my exponent, submit. So see, each time I answer a question correctly, my SMART score should increase. So here would be 2 to the 3rd, submit. Okay. I will purposely answer one wrong this time, so I'll show you what happens if you get one wrong. So your SMART score does go down if you answer one incorrectly, and then it does give you an explanation. It tells you what you answered, and then gives you that explanation of what you should have done. Okay, so that's really helpful as well. Then now going back to the 6th grade topics, this 17 is that SMART score that I reached in this topic then. Okay, so again, I said you should get to like 80. Obviously you can get to 100, that would be ideal, but 80 is great. Another cool thing about IXL is that you can come to this diagnostic up here, and you can kind of test yourself to see what level you're at, and this is just really kind of fun to do. So let's see. Oh, you get to choose a question to start. So I know we were just doing these. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Let's say I don't know this yet. I can click this and it'll say, okay, that's all right. We'll work on it later. Or you can just kind of work through these. And then at the end, it should give you like what math level you're at. And then these are all the main topics for 6th grade, and it breaks it down into each unit there. So that's kind of cool too. And then I think it will give you questions based on your overall level. So that's pretty neat too. Another thing that you can do is up here in analytics. This will show you everything that you've done in the last 30 days. And this is why I really like this, because I can log into my teacher account and see what you've been doing. I get this information for every student that I have. Um, so this is just going to be so much easier for me to see that you are spending the time doing the practice. Um, so you can look at your trouble spots, your scores, all the questions and progress that you've made. I haven't spent enough time on um, this is a student account here that I logged into, so this is exactly what you'll see. Um, so it's pretty cool, but you'll spend most of your time in this learning under math. And then, like I said, you just have to do the highlighted ones. Um, th- those are the ones that are just for chapter 6 that we're doing right now. That's pretty much the gist of what you'll be doing for IXL. If you have any questions, if you can't get logged in, please let me know and I will help you through this website.